In the last episode we made scrolling level and background. So in this episode we will add obstacles and spikes to the level, with a death animation and sound, and a game over screen. So let's get started. Let's add some spikes and platforms in the level. We need to detect collision with the spike. Create a custom block for death animation. This is the code for fading away. Add a delay between each fade to give smoothness. Clear the fade effect and start. Run the death animation when spike is touched. Let's add a sound. Perfect. Start the sound before fading. The cat should stop. Stop other scripts before animating. The background should also stop. We will achieve this by broadcasting. Stop the level script when this message is broadcasted. Drag and drop the same script for background. Broadcast a new message when death animation is complete. Delete the level clone after the cat has died. Drag and drop the script in background also. Nice. Now come in the play button script. We want to show the button again when the player has died to restart the game. Drag it in the title script because the title should also be shown. We can now delete the background script because the level already covers the screen. But it is not right that the same thing repeats over and over. So let's make some new levels. Oops, I must switch to second costume before making the second clone. I made several more levels. You can design as much levels you want with your own creativity. Let's make a variable to store how much we have played. Change levels completed by 1 each time the level completes 1 scroll. This logic becomes true whenever the levels completed are divisible by 6. It is 6 because we made total 6 levels. Change laps completed by 1 when this is true. Make the game over costume in the title sprite. Switch to this costume after dying. We have finally completed our runner game. Let me know in the comments how much you like the series.